Dinner is served.
That's a beautiful plate. Wow.
Thank you. Hold on, let me just. Don't you even dare. Look, it looks legit.
Oh, fish tank. Okay. We will solve you. In the meantime, it looks like Strata is cooking us something.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Babe, look at you. You look amazing.
We need to have like a theme song.
Are you wearing pants?
Yes.
Oh.
We need a theme song. Woo! Cooking with Stridor. Okay, now you need to harmonize. Ready? You hear it?
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay. Cooking with just the Stridor part.
I just showed you up.
No, just
All
the
right.
Stridor part.
All
Okay,
right,
ready?
all right.
Cooking with
Strata. Okay.
Cooking with Stridor.
What do you mean higher? Why do you just assume that I'm going to be the higher register?
Because you have a high register. Ready?
What if I felt more comfortable going lower, huh?
No, you don't. I have the lower one. Watch this.
Okay.
Cooking with Stridor. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Cooking with Stridor.
I don't want to do this anymore. Okay.
Give me that thing.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
I got it.
Cooking.
Why are you standing that way?
My cooking outfit.
It looks like you're doing karate.
Cooking with Stridor. So listen, our son.
What is this?
We're gonna like 5 months ago.
You're just gonna like not even mention that you have a cooking case? What is this?
Are you jealous? You could have used that on your geo.
Oh my god. Hey, what is this?
Hey, stop. I don't even know yet. I gotta figure it out myself.
You ever open this thing before?
Never! That's a styler.
Oh.
It's an easy carrot curler.
We have carrots. Dude, what is this?
Hey, check this out. If I have juice, and it juices.
Drizzler? You're gonna
Look.
drizzle?
You know what this is for?
No, you don't either.
I just do. Watch this. Watch.
Don't look at it. What is it?
Look, I'm not. I'm
What is it?
serious. Did we ever tell you the name of this show should be Mediocre Cooking with Stridor?
Yeah.
Okay, check this out. See this?
Mm-hmm.
Look.
You don't know what this thing is?
Cooking with Stridor.
It looks like
No.
Happy the Hamster chewed it.
Listen, this hurts. If I had like,
You were putting your hand on that side. That's not a thing. Where's the packaging? Give me this. This is not
there
what
is
this
no
is
packaging. Cooking with Stridor. Oh, this comes in handy because look,
For what?
if I'm placing something, so like that.
Oh my god.
Listen,
So
okay.
this is for plating, huh? Did
Yeah.
you get a drizzler? You have this?
No, there is plating.
There's no circumstance in which you would ever look back. You just put
There is a circumstance, and I'm gonna do it right now. So we both know our son has a refined palate.
refined palate.
Like super refined.
Like arguably too refined.
Too refined.
Yeah.
So what I've been doing since he was a very small child is I've been making these food plates.
Yes.
And I always have trouble with the eyeballs. Now are you seeing? Because I can't put the eyeballs
There's
on.
1.5 million ways that you could have finished that statement, and I was not expecting eyeballs.
So I'm gonna make one of the plates that I usually make, and how I found them is you go to Pinterest and you go and look up food art, and it teaches you like different ways to do that for people who are like me. Cooking with Stridor. If anybody wants to make me a jingle, I'll take it. I'm gonna get to work. Bubba,
All right.
are you going to help me cook?
Yes.
Woo!
There you go, little helper.
Where is your apron?
Oh, Superman apron. There it is.
And we shall have a blast, huh?
Yeah.
Because we are, what's mommy's song? Cooking with Stridor. Apron, check. Stool, check. We love these. They don't cut too deep, fingers-wise, right? Except that one time. But we're gonna be more careful, right? We take this over here. Safety with Stridor. All right, he's looking good. Now it's time for me to work my magic. First, I shall prepare our artichokes for the day. I got this really good recipe and it's delicious. And it's really easy. Set it, forget it, because who's got time? Fries are done. Those need to be a little bit harder. This will go right here while my helper has made hors d'oeuvres. Good job, sweetheart. Did you already eat one? Yeah, you're eating it right now? Chef Boo Boo is ready to plate. I love what you've been doing here, sir. This is just beautiful. Did you wash your hands? Have a good time. Make it beautiful and edible. I do not remember where I got this from, but I wrote it down and it's been through some stuff. I've been using this recipe for years and this garlic. Dude, I remember. This is the garlic butter sauce from Papacitos. So good. And I always pair it with artichokes, and then we just drink it. First, we shall open them up. Oh, Chef Boo Boo is working on adding to his. Oh, Boo Boo, this is turning out cool, man. I love it. I can't wait to see what you do. Slightly separate them. It's gonna be the best cooking show ever. It's gonna be like, what are you watching? Why am I watching this? I don't know. Now, what we must do is we are gonna take it over to the foil paper. They should have one each. Now they have one each. It's like cooking with Batman. Let's go get the lemon. Open the paper. Pull out the drawer. Grab a lemon. Cut the lemon. Push out the garlic. Shove garlic in the middle. Salt artichokes. 2 times. Olive oil. Olive oil. It's like magic cooking. Cooking with Stridor. Where were you on that?
I'm still in shock at what I just witnessed. Holy moly, sweets.
Boo Boo, this is cute.
That's super cool.
I love the use of the carrot, which is a new food for us. So we're going to give that a shot today.
Woo!
Nice.
Huh.
You never seen that done?
No.
Check it, second one. Babe, I could work a kitchen.
Well done, babe.
Oh man, I can't tell where the bottom is now. They go in for our. That doesn't fit. Oh, that one's not on. That one's not on.
Wow.
Done.
Woo!
Let it sit. Now I shall work on my son's masterpiece. Cooking with Stridor. Cooking with Stridor. I'm gonna put that together, Boo Boo, and I'm gonna make us awesome. Well, that is unfortunate. Man, I can work with this.
If you're a chef, you can figure out the problem.
That's very sound advice. I'm gonna make some more. While we wait on those to redo, we shall marinate. Chipotle paste, the best. A little bit of this. I've been learning how to do things on my own and not actually measure. I just go. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. No matter. My husband is literally a garbage can. He will eat anything. So it actually is kind of nice. It allows me to experiment. Ugh, we like that stuff. And then you salt. And then you mix. And then you talk to the Lego man. Spread that chipotle love around. Grab it tight. Put it in the fridge. Finish everything else. This recipe's a new one for us. We'll see how it goes. We switched the gorgonzola because I am lactose intolerant, and that one just really gets me intolerant. So I got something a little bit easier for my stomach. Let's give this a shot. You ever seen a celery root before?
No.
You ever seen worms on something before?
No.
I'm about to cut it open.
But look at that.
Oh, I love it. Boo Boo, this looks like a boat. I cut a little piece of it. I did not think that was gonna look like that. Weird. That's the root of it. Ugh. I feel like I got Nope, it's looking good. Okay, let me just get these weird things off because that just doesn't feel right. That it's got little tentacles. Oh, yes, these are much better. Oh no! The worst cooking show ever. I've never used so much parchment paper in my life since we started a keto diet. I use so much parchment paper. Put the celery root down, and then we got to put in the olive oil. Where you go? This is exactly how it looks like in my house during cooking time, except I'm jamming salsa music. I feel like salsa music's the best cooking music, and I sing along, and the boys go crazy, and every now and again, Poopatronic says, "Can I put on the TV, please?" Sheepishly, and I'm like, "No! You wanna eat or what?" Eat some gluten-free dirt. Salt, 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 salt. Are you done?
Yeah.
Honey, I love your art. Your food art is beautiful.
I also have carrots.
I love that you put your carrots in there. Boo Boo is going to take his plate and snack on it while I make his other plate. I have my plate. It's colorful and bright. So curious about this.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Boo Boo. It's
Little
an apple.
ball.
What does this do?
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh, this just chisels.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude.
Just watch your hand.
Look, it's coming out the other end.
Hey!
Cooking with Stridor. Dude, I can make really cool shapes with this. We can make like little candy canes, Boo Boo. Oh, that's neat. Okay, enough playing. I gotta work.
You squeeze it, actually.
That's the eyeball.
I see it. It's a fish. Oh.
He's supposed to figure that
You
out. Why
heard
are you
nothing.
ruining
I think
it?
you're supposed to let me know.
Our new foods here are the carrots.
I love it.
Little new fish, little hardy birdies.
Oh.
Okay, Bubba.
Can you guess what this is, babes?
It's a fish.
Yeah!
Nice imagination, boo.
Woo! All right.
Look at me!
Well, he's just over here having fun with my new tools.
Right.
Grilling with Stridor. Grill. Fuck, no. Well, that's never happened to me before. Someone set a timer. Really dark out here. I can't even tell you how delicious this garlic butter sauce is. It's so good. A little bit of white wine. Oh, the surprise here was the chicken bouillon. I think that really does make it. Well, that and the white wine. Done! Well, this turns out to be brie with blue cheese. It's gonna be a crazy night. Dinner is served.
That's a beautiful plate. Wow.
Thank you. Hold on, let me just... Don't you even dare. Look, it looks legit!
Get
Hold
your
on.
spoon out of my butter.
Dude, hold on, look. Ooh.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It just elevated the whole plate.
Oh, hold on, wait. I forgot something.
What?
Legit. Hold on. Sorry, I was supposed to do just a sprinkle. Hold on. Okay.
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 Hey, did you use artichoke leaves to...
He's used to paper plates. We do a show. It looks all gourmet. Oh, don't look at the back.
How do you always give me the burnt pieces? Let me see yours. Wow. Yours is like
It's
perfect.
beautiful. All right, that's it for me. It's cooking with Stridor. Okay, that was new for us. What'd you think?
This one's in my belly. It's so good.
Babe, that's brie with gorgonzola.
There's a do-over.
Yes! How are the apples? Cheers! We'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.